I went back home to feel better, but that was the worst decision of my life. And I feel like nobody is talking about this, but Indian parents say they want an independent daughter till she generally starts acting independent, having her own thoughts, having opinions about stuff. Those of you who have been following my channel must know this. I was living in Delhi. I left my job to work on other things, and I thought I'll go back for a bit, rest, save money, figure it all out. I thought it was a good plan. It made sense in my mind, but it did not go as planned. The moment I went back, everything changed. I was constantly being judged, questioned, taunted, and not in a normal way, the way families do. It felt really personal, really, I don't know how to explain this. It felt I was feeling attacked by everybody. I was crying a lot, not eating, and I couldn't even sleep because I was crying so much. And what I find really weird is this was all said, done, whatever, in name of care. Like they are just trying, I don't know. But after a point, I started questioning myself. I thought I am the problem. I was like, क्या मैं इतनी बुरी हूँ? Why don't I feel love from my parents? Am I that bad of a person? It did not feel like care. It felt like control, and that was when I realized I can't stay. If I stayed, I am going to do something very worse, and I don't think at this stage of my life I'm ready for that. So I decided I am going to go back to Delhi. I packed my bags. They were already packed. Actually, I did not unpack them because I was not feeling as welcomed at my home as I had imagined. There was a lot of emotional blackmail, lot of guilt, lot of threats. अगर तो घर से चली गई, तेरे पापा को कुछ हो गया, लोग क्या कहेंगे? And just a little bit of context, nobody in my family is ill. Everybody is in good health. मतलब मेरे शहर बदलने से what will happen? मतलब nothing is happening मेरे शहर बदलने से. And after a lot of fighting, lots of drama, everything, my having a boyfriend became an issue. And for the first time, I said it clearly to their faces. This, whatever you're doing, is emotional manipulation. I'm not going to stay. And the next day I left. I was sitting in the bus, crying. I was scared. But I also knew if I have stayed, it would have been so much worse. And I think in all my life, this was the very first time I chose myself against anything else, anything and everybody. I came back to Delhi, stayed with friends. It felt normal, safe. I talked to my friends and I finally got the sense that मैं पागल नहीं हूँ. Whatever is happening, I'm not the one at fault. And you know what the most shocking part was? They did so much drama, so much everything, but no calls from them. Even after a week, no call, no text, nothing. That's when, I don't know, it kinda hit me that they were not that worried about my safety. They were worried that they are losing control over me. Because when I moved cities alone, nobody cared. Before for a job, nobody cared. I had to do everything on my own that time. But this time around, when I made my own decision to exit a situation where I'm feeling overwhelmed. That was the problem. And I know I'm not the only one. A lot of Indian girls in our society are raised to be independent, but to a certain point. You can study, you can work, but can you think for yourself? No, that's where they draw the line. I don't hate my family, I don't hate my parents, but I have realized I cannot live with them. And I cannot live a life where I feel guilty for basic freedom, which is there in our constitution, but not within your family. You don't get it because you are a girl. I want to live my life on my own terms. I don't care if you have sacrificed your life. I draw the line. I don't want to sacrifice my life. And if I make, even now, I make all the wrong decisions, it is going to be on me. And I don't think wanting to make my own decisions make me a bad daughter. I'm not a bad person. I am an adult. The government said so. I have my driving license. I have my voter ID. I'm an adult. Then why do I still need to grovel for basic freedom? I don't want to do that. Yeah, I'm trying to figure things out. I'm freelancing and doing whatever it takes to sustain myself. I've moved to a new PG now because I don't really have an option to go back and depend on them. This is not stable. This is not perfect, but at least it's fine. And right now, that matters more. My mental health needs that right now. I don't know what else to say. It took a lot of courage from me to make this video. I second guessed it, even while I was editing this, even while I was shooting it, even when a thought came in my mind to shoot this video. This is, I don't know how to say it. It's difficult. And anybody wants to hire me for freelance work, my email is attached to my YouTube description. Reach out to me.